Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best backyard slides is probably one of the most exciting additions you can make to your outdoor space, transforming ordinary summer days into unforgettable aquatic adventures right in your own home, offering endless entertainment and a fantastic way for kids to stay active, cool, and happy during the warmer months, ensuring that backyard fun reaches a whole new level of exhilaration and joy for the entire family. Number 5. SplashEZ Non-Slip Splash Pad. Say goodbye to slips and falls with our non-slip surface. Keep your little ones and furry friends safe while they splash and play in this awesome sprinkler pool. This is the ultimate summer toy for everyone, including your furry friends. With its durable materials and unique design, everyone will be wagging their tails with excitement. With a spacious 69-inch surface area, it's big enough for the whole family to splash around. Get ready for endless hours of fun in the sun. Keep your kids and dogs cool and safe with its shallow wading depth and anti-slip surface. Plus, it's BPA and phthalates free, so you can have fun without any worries. We're committed to providing top-notch service. If you're not satisfied, contact our friendly team for a solution. What we like? This splash pad offers a generous 69-inch surface, perfect for the whole family, including pets. Its non-slip design ensures safety for little ones and furry friends alike. If you're looking for a safe and spacious option that can accommodate both kids and dogs, this is the one for you. What people say. After a year it is in great condition, with the only negative thing about this splash pad being the graphics are severely faded. Other than that, it is still in like new condition and works great. Zero rips, tears or defects after multiple uses, with toys being thrown in it and stepped on. The material seems to be thick and sturdy, with the water coming up to my daughter's ankle. It is quick to set up and can be put away after draining in 5 minutes. Rolled up, it is about the size of a 1-liter bottle. Number 4. Intex Inflatable Dinosaur Play Center. Get ready for endless summer fun with this inflatable dinosaur play center. It's perfect for splashing, sliding, and imaginative play. Beat the heat with the built-in water sprayer and waterfall features. This play center keeps your little ones cool and entertained all day long. Watch them giggle as they slide down the volcano and land on the soft, safe mat. It's an exciting adventure right in your backyard. Included are 6 colorful balls to add even more excitement. They can be inserted into the wall for extra interactive fun. Constructed from durable vinyl, this play center is designed for years of summer enjoyment. It's built to support plenty of active play. With ample space, multiple children can join in the fun together. It's like their own private island adventure, creating lasting memories. What we like? Dive into prehistoric fun with this inflatable dinosaur play center. It features a thrilling volcano slide, a water sprayer, and a waterfall to keep kids cool. If your children love dinosaurs and enjoy interactive water play with added games, this is a fantastic choice for endless summer entertainment. What people say. The water slide is easy to set up and take down, making it convenient for backyard fun. Kids love the splash pool at the bottom, which provides a fun area to cool off. The durable material ensures the slide will last for many summers of play. Number 3. Banzai Surf Rider 17.5-foot Inflatable Water Park. Get ready for amazing summer days with this incredible inflatable water park. It's designed for endless fun for kids aged 5 to 12. Turn your backyard into an exciting water park with this spacious inflatable playground. It offers plenty of room for active play. This splash park comes loaded with a curved water slide, a fun wave tunnel, a challenging climbing wall, and a refreshing splash pool. Setting up is a breeze. The included air blower inflates the entire structure in under 2 minutes, so the fun can start right away. Constructed with heavy-duty Duratech materials, it's built to last. Safety features like ground stakes and a repair kit are included for peace of mind. What we like? Transform your backyard into an epic water park with this expansive inflatable. It boasts a curved water slide, wave tunnel, climbing wall, and splash pool for diverse fun. If you need a large-scale water attraction that sets up in under 2 minutes for parties or all summer-long enjoyment, this is your go-to. What people say. This slide is super easy to set up and inflate. The motor is not loud and works well. It appears pretty durable, so we will see if it stands the test of time. Kids love it in summer and has paid for itself many times over. Number 2. Intex Dinoland Play Center Kiddie Pool. Turn your backyard into a fun-filled water park. Slide and splash into the wading pool or enjoy exciting games like Dino Hoops and the volcanic ball roller. Forget the filter. Simply fill it up and let the outdoor adventures begin. It also features a drain plug for easy cleanup, making playtime hassle-free. Enjoy a soft pool slide with a landing pad that everyone will love. The movable Dino Arch water sprayer adds an extra layer of coolness while splashing. Keep your little ones entertained with built-in games like Dino Hoops and the volcanic ball roller. These offer hours of refreshing fun and encourage creativity. Measuring 131 inches long, 90 inches wide, and 44 inches tall, it holds 74 gallons. It's the perfect size for children to play and cool off during hot summer days. What we like? Get ready for a roaring good time with this dinosaur-themed play center. It includes built-in games like Dino Hoops and a volcanic ball roller, plus a fun water sprayer. If you want a kiddie pool that offers more than just splashing, with interactive games to spark creativity and easy cleanup, this is an excellent option. What people say. The quality is amazing considering how many kids of different sizes have played in it and no holes yet. This inflatable pool with a slide and sprinkler is such a hit with my kids. It's like a mini water park, easy to set up, super cute, and the perfect size for toddlers. The sprinkler keeps the slide slick, and the small pool area is just right for safe play. Great quality and hours of summer fun. The design is beautiful and in person it's actually bigger than I thought, in a good way. My toddler is 18 months and had so much fun. He had a blast filling up the pool with the hose, playing in the water, etc. He is still little, and still is getting used to the splashy water from the crocodile, but it is a great feature for super hot days, so the slide doesn't get too hot and probably makes it more slippery. Number 1. Intex Candy Zone Inflatable Kiddie Pool. Get ready for a summer of sweet adventures with this inflatable play center. It's packed with exciting activities designed to keep your little ones entertained for hours. This play center features a main pool, a wading pool, and a thrilling water slide with a padded landing. It also includes fun accessories like balls and lollipops for even more enjoyment. Beat the heat with the overhead gumball water sprayer and a fun chocolate-themed slide. They can splash and play in the wading pool or the main splash pool, ensuring endless cool-down fun. Setting up is a breeze. Simply inflate it, connect a garden hose to the built-in sprayer, and watch the summer fun begin in minutes. Built with safety and quality as top priorities, this product is designed for lasting fun. It's easy to drain and perfect for outdoor play for kids aged 2 and up. What we like? Indulge in sweet summer fun with this candy-themed play center. It features a main pool, a wading pool, a chocolate water slide, and a gumball water sprayer. If you're looking for a vibrant and engaging water play area with multiple zones for younger children and a fun, eye-catching design, this is a delightful choice. What people say. My kids absolutely love this pool and they are 6, 5, and 19 months old. It's such a nice size that we invite our neighbors' kids to play in it as well. The quality is amazing considering how many kids of different sizes have played in it and no holes yet. The kids absolutely love the inflatable dinosaurs too. They play with them when they're not in the pool and obviously in the pool as well. It also comes with balls to roll down the hill thing on one side of the pool, and it also comes with inflatable rings to hang on the dinosaur with the wings. LOL pterodactyl. This inflatable pool with a slide and sprinkler is such a hit with my kids. It's like a mini water park, easy to set up, super cute, and the perfect size for toddlers. The sprinkler keeps the slide slick, and the small pool area is just right for safe play. Great quality and hours of summer fun. This inflatable jungle adventure play center has been an absolute game changer for our backyard fun. I got it for my toddler, and it has quickly become the highlight of sunny days. The bright colors, fun animal characters, and interactive features like the water slide and splash pad are just perfect for keeping little ones engaged and happy for hours. The setup was surprisingly easy, and once inflated, it felt sturdy and safe for my child to play in. The size is spacious enough for a few kids to enjoy together, yet still manageable in our backyard. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.